Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. If you are looking to take control of your finances and make informed decision about your loans, you have come to the right place. In today's video, we are going to show you how to work on the powerful loan EMI calculator using Excel. Whether you are planning to buy a home, a car, or just need a personal loan, understanding your monthly EMIs is very crucial. With our easy to follow guide, you will be able to calculate your EMI in no time. We'll cover everything from downloading the spreadsheet, inputting the necessary data, to using the correct formulas for accurate results. You will see how different interest rates and loan tenures and certain prepayments affect your monthly payments and helping you make best financial decisions by reducing the total interest paid. So, ready to get started? Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our financial tips and tutorials. So let's dive into Excel and start calculating those EMIs. So here I have marked some table which is called as input value. So you need to enter the particulars like loan amount, other charges, insurance, etc. in the cells that are marked in yellow, along with the interest rates, loan tenure, and extra EMI per year. So we'll discuss that in the second half of this video. So also you can enter the loan start date, like just for your reference, so that you can see where you stand at the moment. Yeah. So by entering all these details, the Excel calculator automatically calculates all the uh, data like principal amount, interest, and what would be the total interest paid till now, and the due dates. Like all of these would be calculated automatically. Here you can see the total tenure of 25 years would be around 300. I mean 300 months. So you can say at the end of 300 it shows zero and you would be closing your loan at the end of 25 years. So everything will be calculated based on the inputs that you provide in here. So you can see the results like the total monthly payment or EMI would be 45,435 rupees and the total interest paid would be 86 lakhs 30,511 rupees and the total payments would be 1 crore 36 lakhs 30,511 rupees. So that would be your total payments made at the end of 25 years. So uh, if you observe here, so the principal amount on the first month or the initial few months would be very less. So comparatively, the major portion of your EMI would go to the interest payout and very little amount would go to the principal payment. And the principal amount gradually increases as the tenure at the end of your tenure. Like you can see here, at the end of tenure, like the principal amount is 45,000 and at the end of tenure it would be 375 rupees. So the banks, what they do is, like let me show you with the graph. So the bank will charge the major portion of the interest in the first half of the loan tenure itself. So you can see here, uh, uh, this is the principal amount and this is the interest amount. The principal amount is marked in green and the interest amount is marked in blue color. So you can see at the loan tenure at the loan tenure increases, the principal payout, the principal payment would be increasing and the loan interest would be decreasing. So you can see the banks would collect the major portion of the interest mainly at the half or the first half of the loan tenure. So if you're taking a home loan which is of 25 years, so you can see the bank would charge majorly in the first 12 years or 12 and a half years the maximum interest that you are supposed to pay. The rest it would be mainly for the payout of the principal amount. So in case if you are making any prepayments or lump sum payments, it is better if you make the payments in the first half itself. So technically, it would be very it is of no use or it is of very less use if you are paying any prepayments at the second half of your loan tenure. So let us come back to this particular loan calculator. So here you can see I've also marked loan, yeah, extra EMI per year. So suppose if you make any extra EMI per year, we'll calculate how much of the total interest amount you would save, and that way you will have better financial decisions that you can make. So just to do that, let me enter the total EMI paid, total interest paid without any prepayment. So it is of 86 lakh. So it's here, right here, 30,511. So that would be your total interest paid without any extra EMIs paid. And suppose if you're paying one EMI per year extra. So let me enter one in that case. So here you can see the total interest paid in such case would be 62 lakh 51,000 and 53 rupees. So that will save you around 23 lakhs. 23 lakhs 79,000 and 458 rupees would be saved if you pay just one EMI per month, per year extra. And suppose if you pay two EMIs per year, I know it is really difficult, but just by paying two EMIs per year extra, so you would be saving around 36 lakhs in your interest payouts. And also you can see the loan tenure would be decreasing. That is still, that would be 191. So 191 would be like 191 by 12. So you would be closing your EMIs in just 15, like close to 16 years. So whenever you are paying extra, so the bank would ask you whether you want to increase the EMI or increase the tenure. So you should always make sure, decrease the EMI or increase the tenure. So you should always make sure that you should try to reduce your tenure. That way you would save mostly by prepayment. And you can also see the EMI amount would still remain the same, but you're just entering the prepayment as a towards the total principal amount. So this way you can calculate the data. You can download this particular Excel and work on with your loans and see how much ever you can save and get the maximum benefits out of it. And you can also enter like 10 lakhs as the loan amount, and just at the rate of 10 years, and the tenure I'll just enter 2 years and enter like no prepayments, and just it's not correct here right now. So you can see at the end of 2 years the loan will be paid off. So you can just calculate if you're not paying any prepayment, so you can just have it handy just to understand where you stand and look at your finances accordingly. Or if you are going for any loan, you can just use this particular loan EMI calculator in Excel and calculate the particulars accordingly. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries related to this particular loan EMI calculator, do post your comments and share this particular video across your friends and family, and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.